I'm going to be reviewing for you CryptoStoryBank, okay? Guys, this is a fantastic platform. It's a one platform for millions of possibilities. I'm going to be doing that for you today, but after this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight into it. CryptoStoryBank, guys, it's one bank, a million possibilities. It's got P2P, staking, holdings, and transferring on here, right? They've got a lot of information on the website, so let's go through it. But I want to tell you first exactly what this is about. So CryptoStoryBank is a philosophy that's centered around the complete abandonment of fiat payments by users. So they believe that cryptocurrency presents a new convenient way for bank customers to transact with one another. Now, the main issue facing the modern market is lack of truly quality and user-friendly products, all right? The goal at CryptoStoryBank is to create a streamlined infrastructure for crypto payments that is as simple and easy to use as traditional banking methods. So they believe in providing the highest quality of service and security so the customers can actually feel confident in their transaction. Now, this is to revolutionize the way your cryptocurrency with Storybank works. The application, the security, everything comes super easy when you're using this all-in-one possibility platform. Imagine being able to pay for your purchases with cryptocurrency no matter where you are in the world, okay? Cards that you can actually use, introducing CryptoStoryBank cards. Easiest way to pay with cryptocurrencies, okay? Shopping line or stores, anything you want to do. If you want to get loans out, guys, you know how simple it is to have loans in crypto now, okay? Really easy, so you can have access to diverse ranges of credit cards, products, and of course the earning side. If you're a staker, if you're here for that, the CryptoStoryBank's ETFs are easy for balanced portfolio and stable income. So guys, you can get involved right now. Look at these cards. I want to get myself one. I travel the world. I want to be able to use my crypto anywhere I go. The payment in crypto conversion is literally a reality now, right? If you're not adapting that, I don't think your project is good enough. Key features here, we've got payment products. So the cryptos cards, obviously the chargeback, use transfer, exchange, cashback. Earning side, we got the stakings, holdings, the ETFs, the loans, guys. People get loans every single day, but you pay massive fees to banks. Why not have it in crypto and have your own asset control? Secured lending, credit cards, overdrafts. You got the story business. We got the terminal online payments, recurring payments, and the loyalty program. And of course, the story. Guys, their team are fully doxed, all right? You can go through, research every single one of them. They're very experienced in what they need to be to make this work, okay? The business side, the average transaction volume in cryptocurrency is 40% higher than its fiat, all right? So you got to be integrating cryptocurrency into your business process. It's just a done thing in 2023 and forward. If you have any ideas how to make this better, please let them know. But guys, CryptoStoryBank, I just can't say good enough things about them. Now let's touch on their token, all right? AMATE token ecosystem. So the name is AMATE, A-M-A-T-E, okay? It's a utility token on the BEP20 and ERC20. Now it's called, obviously, from the origination of CryptoStoryBank. The initial price is sitting at 0.20. Increased limits from 5 per month, and the total initial capitalization is 80 million. Now guys, going through the distribution, all right, as you can see here, we've got 37.5% for the free circulation into the crypto market, frozen tokens 37.5%, development team 15%, and 10% to the initial project investors. The unfreezing of the token, so there's 150 million AMATE token will be gradually released into free circulation by the market issuing coins to the exchange, okay, with airdrops, return staking. There's 25 million in the first year, 25 million, and it goes on every 25 million every year increment. Freezing for the developers, 10 million every single increment. And freezing for the investors is 20 million every single for 2 years, okay? Guys, the token burn will actually be consistently and gradually until 200 million AMATE token remains in free circulation on the market. And the investment of the unfrozen tokens goes like this. 25% is the strategic partnership fund, market and product design 20%, stake and payout fund 20%, the stabilization fund for the token 15%, cashback and bonuses 10%, affiliate program development 5%, 5% for the promotion of the token holders. Guys, utility, one of the most important parts of this, right? Number one, you can pay for subscription for the CryptoStoryBank app, so the customer actually gets a discount. Number two, you can pay interest on loans. If the customer pays interest on the AMATE token, they can actually receive a discount of the interest. 3 is the CryptoStoryBank insurance products. 4, you pay for the bank's commission on P2P. 5, pay for the income fee of the terminal. So it's really, really amazing, guys. I want you to do your own research into this, all right? This token is fantastic. I love this project. And not to know, this is literally, people say it's the future. It's already now. If you're not getting involved with this, you're missing out. Now, heading over to their Twitter, let's have a little look at here, okay? They got 2,281 followers, relatively new on here, right? December 2022. So give them a massive follow. They do put updates on there They do tell you about the ecosystem and huge giveaways on there as well, guys. All right, so please get amongst their Twitter and let them know you're from this channel. Guys, they're always having giveaways and prizes to give. All right, so make sure you hit the link down below to get involved in this one. All you got to do is click on here and you can get your entries, following them on their Twitter, following them on all their socials. All right, 2,935 entries already, only 12 days left. Okay, and they're during the first competition, they're going to do a raffle of $500 between 5 winners, 10,000 of their token between 40 winners, guys. So please get involved right now. Hit that link down below. And if you want to go over to Zaley, all right, just connect your wallet up at the top right, log in, do the quest, all right, and you can actually get prizes as well. Chance to split all of these tokens between 20 winners, guys. Do that now. Hit the links down below and follow the rules. So guys, the crypto banks and wallets are in trends right now. And the concept of crypto bank and the whole story is super, super cool and very refreshing. So make sure you keep an eye on this and take part in every single competition they've got. But do me a massive favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Hit the links down below and get in all them competitions right now. And I'll see you on the next video.